Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Capcut a PC version in a offline mode. Let's get started by open your file explorer and go to the this one, the drive C. Click the users, click your user folder and click this app data. If you cannot see this folder, you can click view and show the hidden items. So this folder will appear for you. You can click it, go to the local and try to search CapCut folder, this one. Click it and click the user data here. So you can copy all this data, or you can cut this data, or you can archive by using compress to the zip file or any third-party software that can compress the data, such as 7-zip, or use a WinRAR. You can add to the archive. After that, click OK, and you can a save your folder. So save this user data file to other folder. So after that, try to open the CapCut a version, PC version with internet first. After that, you can cut your connection and your CapCut version will still a launching without internet connection or offline mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.